I'm pushing myself to learn LightBurn because I really want to use a CNC machine or a laser eventually, but I thought I'd have a go at some hexagons and cut it out on my brother's ScanNcut. I actually just draw the dots and cut all the lines. I did used to actually cut all the dots as well, all the circles, stitching holes, but I was never really 100% happy with them. I'm a little bit fussy. So I actually just draw the dots on the machine, and then it's easy just to punch them out after it's all cut. And these are the pieces all cut out, ready for me to dye, to punch the holes and then dye, which I did do, and I can't believe it. My first cut out and my first dye and stitch up, the bag actually worked and looks really good. I'll have another go and use these hexagonals in a fur fabric, different fur fabrics, just to give the bag a different look. And I'm so pleased, I cannot believe it. My first cut, my first dye and my first stitch of this design, and it is a usable bag, and I actually really like it, so I'm keeping it myself. And I will do another one slightly larger, which I can use as a travel bag. And I think I'll do that one with fur fabrics. I'll probably try and dye it the same, but I think I'll do the hexagons and fur fabrics just to give that a go. Keep an eye out and see what I come up with. You never know when I'm working.